Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make egusi soup full guide. Gather melon seeds, palm oil, stockfish, smoked fish, leafy greens, onions, and peppers before you start. Begin by toasting and grinding the egusi lightly to release aroma, then simmer bones or stockfish to build a rich base. I will walk you through frying the paste, balancing bitter leaf or spinach, and finishing with seasoning so your soup tastes authentic and satisfying. Start by simmering bones or smoked fish with onions and pepper to create a deeply flavored stock. While the stock cooks, fry your blended egusi in hot palm oil until it develops a nutty aroma and crumbly texture. Gradually add warm stock while stirring to combine and avoid lumps. I'll guide you on the right thickness, how long to simmer, and how to taste for salt and heat so the base becomes rich and balanced. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like for more recipes and tips. It really helps. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep egusi sealed, portable, and mess-free when you store leftovers or pack lunches. They save time and keep your fridge tidy, plus they're great for portion control. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Once your egusi base is smooth and fragrant, fold in pre-cooked proteins such as stockfish, smoked fish, or tender beef pieces for depth. Add chopped greens like spinach or bitterleaf toward the final minutes so they stay bright and retain nutrients. Taste and season carefully with bouillon, salt, and fresh pepper to reach your preferred heat level. I'll share tips on timing and portioning so the protein and greens complement the egusi without overpowering it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.